Welcome back. We're in Brewster, Washington. It looks really neat. Here's an awesome Mexican grill. Doing a little detour because I want to see what's in the town before we head on to Bridgeport. Oh, what is that? Oh, I'm not sure. There's a little market on the left. Cute little town. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure where the grocery store is, but we'll check it out tomorrow if we need to. Wow. Looks fun.
Take the next right onto Washington 173 East, Ridge Street South.
Looks like they got a park up here with a Navy jet. Wow.
Continue on Washington 173 East for 10 miles.
So we have 10 miles to go. Yeah, we're definitely we'll come back here and check out the stuff. Maybe we'll spend a day in Brewster and Okanagan, and then a day in Bridgeport and like Grand Coulee or something. I don't think we'll go to Chelan. It's too big for me. Not sure I want to deal with the heat and the crowds and all that. It's definitely a big town though, Brewster. It's bigger than Bridgeport for sure. Parts of it look deserted, and other parts of it look pretty nice. But there's the Columbia River entering Douglas County, Public Power County. Wow, it looks a lot wider from a distance, this bridge. Pretty neat though still. This is so scenic. Amazing drive today. I'm sure the grocery store in Bridgeport is open fairly late. It's a work night. Can't imagine it closes before 8, 9 o'clock in the evening, maybe even 10. And we can walk there from our campground if we want to. Oh, this is so pretty though. Look at the pine trees on this side. I would not expect that. ETA 607. Oh, speed limit's 50. So I wonder if the river here was a natural barrier for like forest fires coming from the west. And that's why there's these pockets of pine trees, you know, and where you wouldn't expect to see them. Looks like they've tried to burn. There's evidence of past fires at the base, but oh yeah, there's some dead ones up here. That's too bad. So maybe my theory is wrong. but the river does give them a little chance of surviving, maybe. Because you look left, there's no pine trees anywhere, like, so it's just weird having these right here. These all died. That's too bad. Cherry trees on the left. Oh, I'm so excited. We're almost there. Really looking forward to coming back to this campground after I found it. It's going to be a lot of fun. Should get some awesome video too while we're here. So I think I'm spot 7 if I remember right. Plateau with that is just so neat with the pine trees there. Oh, they're facing north and west. That might be also why they're growing there. They don't get as much sunlight, so the moisture is higher for them probably in the ground. It's not as hot. River definitely is acts like an air conditioner though if you get close to it, just like at the campground we're staying at. You feel the breeze coming off the water, the cool air. It feels really nice. I would never have guessed that there were this many trees to the west of Bridgeport, because you come in from the other direction, it's very barren and dry looking. You come in from the east and the north. Ice cream truck. I don't know what town this is. Little town. Rocky Butte, I think. Looks pretty abandoned. Their gas station's closed. Their little grocery store was closed. Not much left. these cherries and ship them fast enough before they, you know, rot. I would hope you get a lot of money for picking cherries. The people that do it. I mean, it's a lot of work, I bet. I took the back roads going home last week. I'm up on that plateau, and that's, you know, I went down like 3,000 feet. It felt like over 5 miles, I want to say. It was steep. A lot of these houses are the workers. You can tell they're definitely not very wealthy, unfortunately. Some of them even have RVs and tents in the yard. I just saw, like, probably let people stay on their land. Miles, we'll be there. Starting to see the town of Bridgeport, and I can see the Chief Joseph Dam. Oh my gosh, look at these workers. I'm not sure what they're digging trenches in. Like, that looks like a new cherry orchard. I wonder how many, it must be a decade before you get fruit when you plant a cherry. Well, yeah, 5-10 years I bet before you get like anything meaningful. It's a big investment. Well, first thing I do when we stop is I gotta get the power hooked up, get the AC turned on. Before I even open the slide outs. Oh, I can't. I have to open the rear slide out. I have to move all the stuff at least to get to it. Oh wow, I see the other, the newer RV park they built. That's like pretty nice also. Oh, I could have went that way, I think. Oh yeah, it does look nice. It's got lots of space. Definitely has no shade though. I should have went that way. I should have went through town more. That's alright. So my wife wanted to bring our bikes, and I said it's way too hot. But if we find out it's not, next time I will. I just don't. I can't imagine wanting to bike in this heat. Wow, there's a cherry orchard right in town. That is way cool. Jeez. Entering Bridgeport. It's Bridgeport, Washington. Less than a mile. Oh, they had a fire there. That's too bad. Oh wow, and there. They must have had a wildfire here. Jeez. Wonder when that happened. Like a grass fire or something. actually had us mapped to Bridgeport, and I went by the marina park. I just realized that. So I should have came down that side road. It's all right though. $99 degrees. People here. We got a neighbor maybe. They better not have taken my spot. Find out. Kick them out if they did. Nope, they didn't. Oh, the spot on the end is, reserved. Oh, their spot's got more shade than mine. That sucks. Weird. Is that a horse trailer? Well, this is it. This is our campground. So thanks for watching. Brewster to Bridgeport.